I'm going to share with you some information of a condo project that I recently visited that I was very impressed by for its luxurious nature, its spacious rooms, and its exceptional location. So let's have a look at a video rendering of the Embassy Wireless. So there you have it. It's going to be a very luxurious project. You have a driveway coming in, these really nice curve arches like this as you come into the parking area. This is the garden area in front of it. With zoning laws nowadays, if you have green space in front of your building like this, if you set back your building, you're able to build higher. And that's great for everyone. You have people that can enjoy a view from a high floor, and then you have a green space. That's from within the lobby. They're going to preserve the trees that are there. So that's 41 stories there. Very nice glass facade like that. The motif of the arches carry itself through the top and in the rooms itself. This is a really nice, clean, luxurious kind of aesthetic. You've got that island kitchen there. This is going to be in the 2 bedrooms. Nice, feminine curves, elegant. I love those pocket doors. There's room types with walk-in closets, with master bedrooms, with amazing views of the CBD area. This is a gym that would totally motivate you because it's located up in the sky like this, and you can see a wonderful sunset. That's Central Embassy there. They even have a sky bar. I hope they allow alcohol as in the rendering there. And that's a beautiful view there. That faces a sulk. I see that over there. Those arches are really, really nice. It actually reminds me of the arches at Central World. So it gives a little congruence to the neighborhood. So that's Wireless Road there when the sun comes down. And that's a zoom out of the project. So that's a really nice project, the finest on wireless, they're saying. This project is scheduled for completion in 2027, and that's a really great thing because it's off-plan projects like this one that give you the opportunity to have first dibs on the best rooms, such as the high floor, corner units, the ones with great layouts at really good prices. It's when before they complete is when they have lower prices. This project here is called the Embassy Wireless, and that's because it's located on Wireless Road, and that's what I mean when I say it's a very prime location. And Wireless Road is also known as Embassy Row. It's where the major embassies of the world are located, such as the US Embassy, the Swiss Embassy, the British Embassy. So it's a very prestigious neighborhood. You see that this part here, this is the Sukhumvit Road, and then you have the BTS right there. This kind of twisty, curvy building is Central Embassy. A lot of people may be familiar with that. It's an ultra luxury mall, and it has Park Hyatt in it as well. It shares the same retail space. This is the headquarters of Krungsri Bank. This green patch here used to belong to the British Embassy, and they've since sold it off to Central Group, the group that owns Central Embassy here, and they're going to build phase 2 of Central Embassy. So it's going to be a rather high-rise building coming up here. That's going to complete in 2028, and the Embassy Wireless here is going to complete in 2027, so you'll have direct access to that mall right across the street. This green patch here, the good news is that belongs to Nylert Park. So that's going to be reserved green space that will be part of the Aman Hotel that's going to open in Bangkok, and it's going to be this high rise here. Not this one right here, but behind it. That's going to be an insanely luxurious hotel in Bangkok, probably the first 6-star, along with the new One Bangkok project here. So that's the location. If you go to the map here, you can see that this is the Embassy Wireless. That's Nylert Park that I was talking about. That's Ploenchit BTS Station. To the east is Nana BTS, and then Asok BTS, where you can transfer to the MRT underground. If you go west, you go Chitlom, and then you go to Siam, where you have Siam Paragon. So it's a very good location. This over here is Wireless Road that leads down to Lumpini Park. Great area. Yeah, I'm very impressed that they're able to get a hold of such prime location. So yeah, it's a joint venture by Hong Kong Land and Noble Development. It has 41 floors with 2 basement floors. It has 757 freehold residential units. However, to meet the demands of this trend of preferring larger units, they've decided to allocate certain rooms that are in pairs to be sold as a pair. So that's going to reduce the amount of total residential units for sale to around 500 something. And then you've got parking for 478 vehicles. So I've given you an overview of the project and the location. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty and have a look at the floor plan. So starting with the floors 2 to 9, you have the building is going to be kind of an L shape, where this smaller part of the L is going to come up to the approximately the 20th floor. So they call these the low floors. And they haven't actually, they didn't want to be very specific about price. Because this is like very early pre-sale phase, but they did give me a ballpark where low floor units, keep in mind it's going to be in the ballpark starting in the 300,000 baht per square meter price range, and then in the higher floors from 2021 onwards, you can expect upwards of 400 something thousand baht per square meter onwards. So floors 2 to 9 are going to be the typical low floor, smaller units. And then as you see, if I come up to floor 21, that's where it has a cutoff of this small L here. That's going to be a mini garden, a roof like terrace right here. And then you're going to be left only with the units on this side here. And so as you come up, you'll see that the higher you go, the larger the rooms you'll have. Before we go further into the large units that I'm very excited about, I just want to give you a virtual tour of their show units when I visited at the project itself. I was quite impressed by that. So this is, let's start with a one-bedroom of 43 square meters in size, to give you an idea of the kind of finishing that you can expect, the build quality that you can expect from them. So this is the tiles that you can expect, a ceiling height of approximately 2.8 meters. Beautiful color palette, I think. Solid surface. Nice storage overhead with all these built-in appliances. These units are going to be sold what's called fully fitted. So the fitted furniture, such as the hood hob, the oven, and all this cabinetry is included. But the loose furniture, like the couches and the dining table and this Tom Ford magazine, definitely not going to be included. And then to the left here, there's this alcove for your workstation, and then you have an ensuite bathroom there, and then this goes into your bedroom like that. So that's a one bedroom, just very quickly to show you what it looks like. Here's a 2-bedroom. So you come in from the entrance, you have your kitchen on this end, then you have a dining table and a living room like that, and it's flanked by 2 bedrooms. There's the ensuite that you can access from the living room and from the first bedroom as well, just to come in. Yeah, so that's the bedroom, the first bedroom, and then the second bedroom like that. If you have a high floor, you're going to have a wonderful view of the city. This area, really nice. You get to see a nice, beautiful concentration of really beautiful buildings in Bangkok. But what I'm more excited about is the larger units. Floor 27, you'll see that the units start to get larger. 28 to 35, there we go. You start to see larger units there. I'm just going to skip to 36 to 39. There we go. So that's 36 to 39. Let me give you an example of this corner 115 square meter unit right here. So you come in from the entrance, and then you have a U-shaped kitchen with right there. So you have counters on both ends, and that's your living room area with a balcony. And I'm assuming it connects to your bedroom here. That comes with a semi-walk-in closet. You have double vanities, a wet zone, and a bathtub. So that would be the master corner bedroom. That's going to have a wonderful view on a high floor. Oh, that's a 3-bedroom. Okay, I mean, you could have that, and then you can turn one into a study, a kid's room, or anything you want, right? So that's another bedroom, and they would use the bathroom on the opposite side of the hallway that comes with a shower, so your guests would use that. This, I would say, is a storage room. And then the other bedroom completes the unit on the other side. It comes with its own ensuite as well. and you've got closets, space, and all like that. That's this unit here. Let's have a look at this long one here, a 129 square meter, 3-bedroom as well. You come in from this side. To your left will be 2 bedrooms and this one room in the middle, which is pretty good because you can turn this into an office, a library, a study, and it separates the 2 bedrooms for privacy. Living room area here, you have a kitchen, and then you have a heavy-duty kitchen inside as well. 2 kitchens. That's really nice. Then you have an island with a sink outside on the island itself, and also you have a sink in your inside heavy-duty kitchen. And then you have the master on the very east side of the room. 129, pretty decent size. And what else can we look at? Okay, let's look at this 145 3-bedroom. Where would be the entrance? The entrance, you would come from coming into the south, island kitchen, and then 2 kitchens here, a balcony at your living room. This side is what looks to be the master is going to be on the right side here, and then there's another bedroom, and on the left side there's 1 room. There's 2 rooms actually. There's 1 room here, maybe for your office. This room can be for storage, can be for a little pantry, and you have a bedroom there. And if you go back to the floor plan, you can basically request to combine, let's say, this corner right like this. I know that when we visited the project, they said that they've sectioned off certain floors where this side, they can combine them from 115 to 137, so that's 200 and something. Now, if you want to go really big, you can go up to the 40th floor. So they have 2 penthouses. Each one is 241 square meters. And I've also been told that one of them has already been sold. So you're left with just 1 here. And I'm not sure which exact one was sold, but we're going to look at the one on the right. Penthouse, so you come in here, large living room space, dining room separate. You have a kitchen, very nice kitchen. It opens into the second kitchen and into the maid's room. You have a little maid's quarters with a separate entrance for the maid. And so you have that. To the left, here's an extra bedroom here, maybe for your guests. You can turn it into something else. Here's an extra room, and look at this. These are all balconies. That's going to be beautiful. And then you've got a hallway here that goes into this bedroom. That's the master. Leads into these double vanities and a bathtub. That's going to be beautiful. The other hallway takes you into the other bedroom. If that guy that bought one of the penthouses wants to go full baller, he can buy the other one and combine it into a 480 square meter penthouse. That's going to look insane. Now, next up, I'm going to show you a panorama of what kind of view you're going to get depending on what direction your room faces. So I'm going to go to the panorama here and then open up this map. So so we start with north. This is north facing from the 41st floor. Let's just put it down to the 30th floor just to stay safe. So that's the end of Wireless Road, and what runs horizontally would be Phetchaburi Road, and then you've got this green patch here that I think is owned by the Railway Authority of Thailand, and I think they're going to turn it into a green space. Right now it's kind of like a train graveyard, but I think eventually, once they have the budget, they're going to turn it into some green space. And then you have the airport rail link there that takes you to Suvarnabhumi Airport. This is your north-facing view. I mean, it's okay. If you turn this way to the west side, you're going to see the sunset amongst these buildings here. This is actually quite a beautiful view. How do I hide this? Can I hide this? Yes. There we go. So you see the Bayok Tower. That's one of the tallest buildings in Bangkok. That used to be the tallest. I kind of call it the Empire State Building of Bangkok because it's been around for quite a while and used to be the tallest building until the Mahanakhon and the Magnolias riverfront took over. So let's see. This low building here is BDMS Wellness Center, so that's going to remain like that. This is Nylert Park that I told you about, and this construction that's going up right here, that's going to be the Aman Hotel. This patch here is going to remain the same. As you go south, this is Sukhumvit Road, and then you have the BTS coming along this way. This curvy building is Park Hyatt and Central Embassy. And this patch of land that they're clearing out here is what I mentioned in the beginning, that they're going to turn into the second phase of Central. So you're going to have another mall coming up here, but you're going to still have this view here. And this is south. South is an okay view. By the way, the prices of the units here vary depending on factors like how high you are, obviously, and also what direction you are, and the type of layout. It's simple supply demand. And then for those that like the east, this would be your sunrise view. Pretty nice because it kind of faces a highway here. So, and all these patches of land with multiple little sliced up title deeds and with narrow roads. So that means that it's going to be extremely hard to build high-rise buildings to block this view here. So from the 30th floor, this is basically the view you're going to see. I hope you enjoyed this preview of this project. This is a really exciting one that's coming to this area. Great location. And if you're looking to buy property with us, you can see the link in the video description or go to my website and you can get in contact with myself and my team and we'll help you find the best opportunities.